just a quick short, just on more air fryer, and I'm pretty sure everybody know. But I got bored, so I decided to marinate some chicken. And all I got in here marinating is I got oregano, a little bit of thyme, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And I let this marinate for about 36 hours. Right. And I'm gonna just pop it in the air fryer. These are chicken legs, bone in and bone in thighs. I got quite a few pieces of chicken in here. There's 6 right there. Let me see, put that there. Alright, I'm about to just get ready to turn it now because the timer went off. Beep, beep, to turn it. And so far, it's got some nice color on there. So far. Alright, this round is, oh, those look beautifully colored. Beautifully colored. Let me go ahead and get a better. Yeah, those look. Yep. So here's what we're gonna do. And then let's put that one in the middle. Just kind of spread them out a little bit. And guess what? It was literally a piece of chicken skin in the I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that nice. And it's only programmed to do 1 round, but once it's, once it's preheated for about a minute or 2, it's gonna go right to cook, and then it's gonna go right to letting you know when it's time to flip it. Let me go ahead and flip these bad asses over. I'm gonna give these an extra round just because they thicker, but just look at that color already on it. And I can already see this about to be easy as hell to clean. Look at this piece of chicken skin. I'm gonna throw it right in the middle. I decided I wanted to flip these. I decided I wanted to flip these. I'm about to get a bottle of hot sauce, a bottle of ranch. But I decided, look at that little chicken skin. We reached the end, but I'm not about to pull this out. I'm literally about to put all of it back into the air fryer. So I'm putting all that back in there together. I'm gonna throw that in there. And what I want to do is, let me see. I don't want that. I'm gonna hit the broil. 12 minutes. It's preheating again for some reason. I mean, I don't like this. I don't like the one I got, this air fryer, because even though it's already hot, it still wants to preheat. Like, come on, man. But I'm gonna let this go, and then we gonna take a bite of this juiciness. And we reached the end of our beauty right there. Right? And I'm gonna just say, this looks don't disregard the background, because I am at the same time in class right now. Out of here. little piece of chicken skin that I had. Delicious. I don't know back in the day if you used to eat pork rinds. That was the texture I just got. Very airy, crunchy, and light, and just beautiful, delicious. But I'm gonna let those cool down a bit. Maybe just for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna enjoy it.